Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create sub-bullet point in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create sub-bullet point and we can see here the text. Then we click before the text, then press tab on our keyboard and make this text as a sub-bullet point. Then select the whole text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. Then we select the bullet point and use any bullet point. Now I select this diamond bullet points and click outside of the text box. Now we can see we create sub bullet point to this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.